Thank you. You have an awesome day too. Oh, hi. How's everyone doing? Thank you for joining me and holding me accountable as always. You guys are in for a treat this week. We're going to be talking about how important it is to create a culture of people building each other up, encouraging one another, whereas gossiping, drama, negativity, be careful of the kind of culture that you have, even in your family culture. Whenever you come in contact with someone in business or in any relationship, is to always encourage and build each other up, because that's really going to create a long-term success in all areas of your life. So we want to make sure that we all do truly impact one another and influence one another. There's going to be only a few people that are really going to listen to this video and really take notes, and for that individual, I admire you for really taking advantage of the content while it's in front of you and taking notes and really investing in this time into yourself and really applying, because that's what brings in the return on your investment, is applying what you learned. So I'll see you guys with Donna LaCour. She was the kind of woman that, didn't really see the value of encouraging another person. It was more like get it done, get the tasks done, and that's it. That's not gonna build such a good harmony or unity with anybody. So she learned a lot. She learned to edify. Edification is so important. It's so important to really edify one another and build each other up. Sharpen up your communication skills daily, and taking the time to put money into you by going to seminars, by really immersing yourself with people in a room that are much better than you. Taking the time to listen to books, reading books, things like that. Pick up a book and learn something new that's really going to pay off for years to come. So keep watching, and you're going to learn so much today with me and Donna. When I met you, just seeing you today, like from what you were telling me where you were before and how you are today, I feel like you are in a sense of freedom. Just because you got to be your own way, you're getting out of your own way, you're getting out of your comfort zone. This is such an improvement. Would you say
Absolutely. Like monumental. Have to walk the walk.
Mm-hmm. You can't tell someone to do something if you're not willing to do it yourself. And the only way to motivate anybody, no matter what personality you are, the only way to motivate them is by doing it yourself. And because they're going to see a change in you, they're going to see the results that you're producing, and they're like, I want what she has. So how do I get there? How do I do that? And you need a coach in your life. You need someone that's going to push you. You need someone that's going to make you uncomfortable. Someone's going to challenge you. And that's what Danny Johnson is doing for us in our lives. She's our coach. She tells us things that we don't want to hear, but we need to hear it. And it hurts, but we need it. And now you've been plugging in for a whole year, and you see a dramatic change already. Right? Because Danny Johnson herself, she says, give me 1 year of your life, attend every event, and you will not recognize your life. You will not recognize your finances, your relationships, your spirituality. So I'm really proud of you. You inspire me too, and I'm sure you inspired the viewers of LearnX. And thank you so much for your time and what you have been pouring into my life.
And I wanted to thank you, Natalie, too, because you have definitely been an inspiration to me, and you have this way of challenging me quite often. Appreciate your enthusiasm and how much you really have a heart for other people and wanting to help other people see a better way. And I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're great.
Thank you so much.
I did not understand even conceptually how to say something like that, or the importance or the value, or that it was necessary, or
it is so necessary. Yeah. It is so necessary. Yeah. And you have a way of pouring encouragement into other people. Your choice of words are amazing.
Thank you. That has come through being involved with this community and being around like-minded people and people who speak in a similar way, speaking life into each other.
And yet we're so focused on our flaws, where we could be focused on the good in people and point that out to them, because they don't even know that they're good in a specific area. And also accountability.
Absolutely.
Accountability.
That's huge.
Another reason why anyone goes to the events consistently. Exactly. Accountability. You need a coach that would tell you where you're wrong and fix it. Be extremely immersed in an environment where everyone's encouraging one another. Where else are you going to find that?
Absolutely.
This has been an awesome interview. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You know, I would challenge you to watch this whole thing again, because you may get something different by looking at it a second time or a third time or a fourth time, because repetition really does, it is a mother of all skill. Repetition really does keep you accountable, and it really reprograms your mind to have a better, successful way of living than what our minds are currently wired right now. But just so you know, we go live every Thursday at 9:15 Central Time. Thank you, and you guys have a great evening. Wow, that was really good. Just being with her, I've learned a lot. The way that she was just communicating was amazing. What kind of culture are you creating? Are you creating a culture where there's a lot of gossiping, where there's a lot of negativity? Or are you creating a culture where everyone is having a great time, building each other up, encouraging one another? What kind of culture are you building at home? What kind of culture are you building at the workplace? You're great. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys next week. Happy holidays.